What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best storage container in 2022. There's a lot of choice for storage container. It's easy to have a love/hate relationship with food storage containers. They can feel cheap and flimsy, the lids are often impossible to find, and the sets can feel like they take up a whole cabinet. But a good food storage container makes all the difference. You can neatly refrigerate meal prep servings, take healthy lunch leftovers to work, reheat and even serve food out of some. A good storage container should have a tight seal, and even better if it's leak-proof for food like soup. We like ones that can be stored easily, and stack on top of each other with little risk of slipping. At the Good Housekeeping Institute, we test food storage containers to ensure they have a tight seal, leak-proof and won't stain with use. Tomato sauce featured heavily in our tests. We also test how they hold up in the freezer, microwave and dishwasher if they're designed to do so. Over the years, experts in the kitchen appliances and culinary innovation lab have tested over 80 food storage containers from top-rated brands such as Pyrex, Rubbermaid and OXO. SmartReviewsLab.com. Search SmartReviewsLab.com before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Rubbermaid Storage Container. Brilliant for many reasons, these food storage containers are completely see-through, aside from the seal, stack easily and are perfect for taking on the go since they're light and sturdy. We microwaved spaghetti sauce to test stain resistance, and only faint marks were left behind compared to other plastic containers we tested. The set features a tight seal that snaps closed for extra protection but also provides ventilation when unsnapped, which made reheating a breeze. They come in an assortment of sets and sizes, and some containers come with removable dividers, which make meal prepping and lunch packing easy. Built-in vents under latches allow splatter-resistant microwaving, with the lid on. Containers stack perfectly to one another to save space, and stay organized in the pantry or fridge. Safe for the dishwasher, microwave, and freezer, lifetime warranty. Set includes one 4.7 cup and one 3.2 cup plastic containers, with lids, one 0.5 cup dressing container with lid, one toppings tray, and two small half trays that fit inside the larger containers, and one divider, for a total of 9 pieces. Specification and features. Brand, Rubbermaid. Color, black, clear. Material, glass, plastic. Capacity, 757 milliliters. Number of sets, 3. Dishwasher safe, yes, top rack dishwasher safe. Freezer safe, yes. Microwave safe, yes. Reasons to buy. BPA free. Transparent. Easily stackable. Reasons to avoid. Lids are cumbersome to store. Number 2. Snapware Storage Container Set. These lock lid containers from Snapware are stackable, help keep your refrigerator organized, and are a good value for just under $15. We were impressed by how well it performed during our shake test, only losing a small amount of water. It held up during our microwave test, but we noticed stains after reheating pasta sauce, which is common with plastic containers. In our previous testing, we also tried the Snapware's Total Solution glass line, and if you're looking for containers that will keep food fresh for a long time, say, if you're putting meals in the freezer for long-term storage, you may want to opt for those as they're less prone to staining. Just keep in mind that the locking lids are still plastic, so when you microwave, use plastic wrap as a barrier to avoid staining. Stack, store and take along with 4 of our popular square containers. Set includes 4, each 1.34 cup square, 5.4 cup square with plastic lids. Airtight, leak-proof lids with 4 locking tabs are BPA free, and our top rack dishwasher, freezer and microwave safe. Containers resist stains, and does not absorb food odors or flavors. Specification and features. Brand, Snapware. Material, plastic. Color, clear. Special feature, alcohol-free. Style, square. Freezer safe, yes. Microwave safe, yes. Reasons to buy. Very affordable. BPA free. Lids lock into place. Reasons to avoid. Many lids with clips to store. Number 3. These containers earn top scores in our test for keeping air out, and that means keeping freshness in. The bases are made of glass and can be used in the oven up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The lids are see-through and have a flexible edge that won't crack over time, and though we did see slight denting after several high-heat dishwasher cycles, we were able to pop them right back into place. The lids are textured and the lip on the side helps with opening and sealing, but they aren't the best for holding large amounts of liquid, as we saw water loss during both our shake and overnight leakage tests. Since Anchor Hocking began in 1905, we've had a focus on two things: reliability and innovation. Anchor Hocking designed the True Seal glass food storage products to prevent spills and leaks by utilizing the BPA-free, textured lid, which seamlessly forms to the glass container. The airtight seal ensures that transporting and keeping food fresh has never been safer or easier. Anchor Hocking glass food storage is dishwasher safe, microwave safe, freezer safe and oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Specification and features. Brand: Anchor Hocking. Color: green. Material: glass. Capacity: 10 liters. Number of sets: 10. Reasons to buy. Oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit without lids. BPA-free lids. Lids are easy to put on and take off. Reasons to avoid. Not watertight. Number 4. Joseph Nest Storage Container Set. The Joseph Nest storage containers are great. If you're concerned about space, this line features nested containers and nested lids, so when you put them away, you only have to clear space for the largest sized container. The lids snap onto the containers to create a tight seal, though we found leaking during our testing, and wouldn't recommend them for liquids. Similar to other plastic containers we tested, these are prone to staining if used with highly pigmented foods. The larger sizes are great for batch cooking. Easy find, color-coded nesting food storage container set, with lockable snap-together lids. Innovative space-saving design, access any size container, or lid easily. All containers feature lockable, airtight, and leak-proof lids. All products in the Nest Lock range fit together, so you can build your own collection to suit your needs. Specification and features. Brand: Joseph. Color: multicolor. Material: plastic. Number of sets: 10. Special feature: leak resistant, airtight. Reasons to buy. BPA free. Space saving nesting design. Reasons to avoid. Lids can be tricky to lock into place. Number 5. Zylis 5-piece storage container set. These twist and seal food storage containers are a favorite in the kitchen appliances lab and have kept food items fresh in our pantry for months. The silicone seal helps keep air out, which is ideal for storing pasta, flour and other dry goods, while the rounded edges allow for easy pouring. The whole container isn't dishwasher safe, but the top can be separated and hand washed. The square shape and design make stacking a breeze and range in sizes from 5 quarts to 4.2 quarts. When testing, we noticed that the twist to lock top and release buttons may be tricky for some people to grab and use. The perfect space-saving storage solution for your kitchen and around your home. Designed to stack neatly so you can organize any space, from kitchen cupboards to bathrooms, and anywhere in between. Superior airtight locking technology seals in freshness and keeps moisture out, perfect for dry goods like coffee, pasta, brown sugar, rice, oats, cereal, and anything in between. Specification and features. Brand: Zylis. Color: clear. Material: ABS. Capacity: 5 quarts. Number of sets: 5. Reasons to buy. Available in multiple sizes. Lid twist to seal. Reasons to avoid. Top may be tricky for some. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.